Welcome to Mother's Garage. I'm Shane.
And I'm Neisan.
We have questions from our loyal customers, our call center, our FAQs, and even our social platforms.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Let's do it. What's the difference between Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer and Back to Black Heavy Duty Trim Kit Cleaner and Restorer?
Mother's Back to Black Heavy Duty Trim Cleaner, which is included in the Mother's Back to Black Heavy Duty Trim Kit, is simply that. It's a heavy duty trim cleaner. Whereas Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer, it's a restoration product. While it does clean, it also offers protection. Now together, however, they offer this powerful tandem.
Dynamic duo.
A dynamic duo. Oh, Batman and Robin, Montana and Rice, Jordan and Pippen. Jordan should always go first.
Yep.
But basically, together, you get long-lasting protection. What? Shane and Neisan.
What can you use Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer on? Can you use it on plastic truck bed covers, mud flaps, and splash guards?
Yes, you can use Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer on any textured, unpainted plastic trim pieces, including mud flaps, truck bed covers, and trim.
Regardless of color?
Regardless of color.
Awesome. What products can I use on my vinyl racing stripes? What if they are matte finish and not glossy?
Well, whether they're matte or glossy, you can use any of your favorite Mother's spray lights.
Can I use Back to Black products on the interior of my car? For example, the dash.
No, so Mother's Back to Black products are not recommended for the interior of the car. We recommend that these products are used on the exterior in a well-ventilated area.
So what products would you use on the interior of your car?
Well, we have several products that you can use for the interior, and you can check them out at mothers.com.
What is the difference between Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer and a vinyl dressing like Protectant?
So Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer is a restoration product and is used on the exterior of a vehicle. Mother's Protectant is a preventative maintenance product.
What type of scenarios would you use these two items?
Mother's Protectant I would recommend on newer vehicles, either on the interior or exterior of your car. Whereas Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer, I would recommend if it's been neglected and has faded over time.
Does Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer have dye in it? And can it be used on any color trim?
Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer contains no dyes and can be used on any color trim.
All right, we're on the last question about trim. What if I get Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer on my car's paint?
So, buff off immediately with a clean microfiber towel.
A car detailer's best friend.
My best friend.
I thought I was your best friend.
Well.
Next up, headlights. The first question, the headlights on all four of my family's cars look like they have a cloudy film or haze on them. Some are worse than others, but what product can I get to fix them all?
So we have one product to address all of that. And that's gonna be our Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit.
Should we demo it?
Let's show them. So we happen to have a nasty yellow headlight. So again, regardless of the severity of the headlight, you always wanna start using the Mother's PowerBall for lights and the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish. And the first step is applying about a nickel size amount of Mother's Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish onto the crown of the PowerBall for Lights. And then you buff off with the microfiber towel. So in no time at all, in just one single step, we were able to go from yellow to clear. Regardless of the severity of the oxidation on your headlights, Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit will take care of it for you. So what do you get in the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit? You get the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish. You get the Mother's PowerBall for Lights polishing tool. And of course, you do get a vacuum plate, headlight restoration sanding disc, should you need it.
If I were to use all of those sanding discs, can you buy replacement sanding discs?
Absolutely. So you can buy additional sanding discs on our website at mothers.com.
It looks like my headlights have moisture in the lenses. Some of the damage may be on the inside of the headlights. Will the new lens kit help?
Most modern day headlight assemblies cannot be disassembled. So once you get moisture on the inside, it starts to intrude and it may be time to consider a replacement.
My headlights are only slightly yellow. Can I use just the polishing tool in the New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit, or do I have to use the sanding discs as well?
So this is actually a very popular question. And regardless of the severity of the oxidation or fogginess on your headlights, we always recommend that you start with the Mother's Power Plastic for Lights and the Mother's PowerBall for Lights. Now, what you'll find oftentimes is that just one single step, you'll be happy with the results. If you're happy, then you're done. Now, if you're not happy, and you need to go even further. The kit also includes severe damage headlight restoration discs. So be sure that you do follow the instructions because again, this is a restoration process.
So no matter what, it'll lead you down the proper path.
Absolutely. Always follow the instructions.
How do I maintain my headlights once they've been restored?
Okay.
Which makes sense because they put all this work.
Right, so protection is key. Now, the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit offers you two options. So the first is just regular maintenance. So Mother's Power Plastic for Lights plastic polish also has UV inhibitors. So it's gonna prevent the yellowing from coming back. So similar to paint or even metal, you wanna make sure that you regularly maintain the headlight by using the Power Plastic for Lights.
And do you apply that by hand or with the PowerBall for Lights tool?
So it can be applied by hand or by using the PowerBall for Lights. The second option is that if you are lazy and you just don't want to do it anymore, Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit also comes with an offer from Expel. And what that is a protective film that you call in, that you go online, you enter your confirmation, and it customizes film specific for your headlight.
All right, the next question is, I see a lot of YouTube videos that say your magnet aluminum polish can clean up foggy headlights. Does it really work?
YouTube, because everything you see on the internet is true, right?
Of course.
While magnet aluminum polish is a polish, it's not the optimal polish for this application. So what you want to do is make sure that you do use the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. This kit is actually engineered to address all headlights, regardless of severity or fogginess.
So to answer the question at hand, results may vary.
Results may vary, and again, you want to use the proper polish for the right job.
Thanks for joining us on this episode of Mother's Garage.
And remember, no matter what you drive,
Give it that mother's love. Oh, hey, dude.
hey, green juice, huh? I'm impressed.
Yeah, I like to take care of myself inside and out.
Yeah, but why are you using my beaker and my lightning mixer?
Well, Kelly from finance was using the blender. Why, you want some?
Yeah, actually, but did you at least clean it before you used it?
No, why?